Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing China's consumer electronics landscape. October 6, 2025, Beijing. Imagine stepping into a room where the air conditioner adjusts itself automatically, maintaining just the right humidity and temperature, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, AI, combined with voice commands. This scenario is not merely a futuristic dream. It's a reality that has seamlessly integrated into daily life for many individuals in China. In today's world, the boundaries of entertainment and communication have blurred, allowing people to engage in gaming, fitness, online shopping, and even video conferences with loved ones, all facilitated by smart televisions. The swift advancements in AI technology mean that an increasing number of home appliances are now operable via voice activation or facial recognition, which significantly enhances their ability to cater to the unique and varied preferences of their users. Experts predict that this fast-paced evolution of AI will not only establish new avenues for consumer growth, but also inject vigorous momentum into China's home appliance sector. As powerful digital technologies drive a fresh wave of industrial evolution and innovation, they are fundamentally reshaping how we think about these everyday products. Artificial intelligence is not merely an optional enhancement. It is becoming a fundamental aspect of improving productivity and redefining the competitive playing field in the home appliance market. In addition, it is catalyzing the transformation and modernization of traditional manufacturing sectors. Recently, the State Council, which serves as China's cabinet, released a comprehensive guideline aimed at thoroughly executing the AI Plus initiative. This directive reveals that the nation is committed to broadening the application of AI across various sectors, including scientific research and technology, industrial growth, consumer markets, public welfare, governance efficiency, and international collaboration. According to the initiative, by 2027, China aims for a profound integration of AI across 6 vital industries, projecting that over 70% of new generation intelligent devices and AI-enabled agents will be prevalent, with expectations of exceeding 90% by 2030. This reflects a national consensus that AI is crucial for fostering high-quality productive forces and stimulating novel economic growth drivers. Leading manufacturers in China's consumer electronics and home appliance markets are in fierce competition to embed AI technology into their manufacturing processes, products, and services. Zhou Yunji, the chairman and CEO of Haier Group, a major Chinese home appliance company, emphasizes that AI is reshaping industrial landscapes and is positioned to be the largest technological revolution of the next half-century. He notes that current AI deployment in businesses focuses heavily on areas such as manufacturing, research and development, sales, procurement, and customer service. Zhou warned that every industry will need to incorporate AI, and any company that fails to do so risks becoming obsolete. He pointed out that merging AI models with smart home robots and interconnected devices will unveil new growth opportunities for the worldwide consumer electronics market. Haier has made significant investments in developing large language models and is actively promoting AI across various domains, including home appliances and the industrial internet. He argues that AI models tailored for the smart home sector are essential infrastructure for evolving traditional home appliances. Li Dongsheng, the founder and chairman of TCL Technology Group Corp., another key player in the consumer electronics arena, stated, "Leveraging AI within high-tech manufacturing will yield greater value than merely enhancing terminal products." This advanced digital innovation promises to boost production efficiency and elevate the competition among China's manufacturing enterprises. Li explained that AI is becoming integral to intelligent production lines, product development, and operational devices. further propelling the advancement of high-tech manufacturing in China. The company established an AI research facility in Poland in 2018, having set up another one in the United States back in 2011. Li expressed that as a manufacturing entity, TCL will increasingly target the application of AI in its operations. He also noted that recent breakthroughs in large language models, LLMs, in China, alongside the rapid rise of AI startups like DeepSeek, have enabled the country to quickly narrow the gap with the United States in the AI sector and surpass many other developed nations regarding AI applications. The government work report for this year outlined that as part of the AI Plus initiative, China will focus on effectively blending digital technologies with its manufacturing prowess and market strengths, while supporting the widespread use of large-scale AI models. This will pave the way for the development of next-generation intelligent devices and smart manufacturing tools. According to research from China Merchants Securities, the market for smart home devices in China is projected to reach a staggering 952.3 billion yuan, approximately $133.9 billion by 2025, with AI technology penetration rates expected to surpass 50%. Over the next decade, the growth of smart household appliances is anticipated to skyrocket. Liu Zhang, chairman of Sichuan Changhong Electronics Holding Group Co., Limited, stated, "We are committed to accelerating the AI integration with data and hastening the industrial deployment of this technology." Changhong is utilizing AI to perform quality inspections on machinery and components, which aids in automating and modernizing equipment while enhancing production line efficiency. The company has embarked on the implementation of AI across manufacturing, operations, and product development, with ambitious plans to inaugurate 66 AI-driven intelligent factories worldwide, and has also released AI televisions that feature LLMs capable of multimodal interactions, including voice input, gestures, and facial expressions. Meanwhile, Hisense Group has integrated its Xinghai large language model with DeepSeek, equipping its smart TVs with advanced deep reasoning capabilities, which enable them to better comprehend user preferences and provide a more seamless interaction experience. Recent data from the Beijing-based consultancy Allview Cloud, which specializes in home appliances, revealed that sales of household appliances in China reached 907.1 billion yuan last year, marking a 6.4% increase year over year, setting a new record. Prospects for the AI sector in China are optimistic, with expectations that it will achieve significant advancements over the next 10 to 15 years, with its market size estimated to hit 1.73 trillion yuan by 2035, which would represent 30.6% of the global total, according to market research firm CCID Consulting. Gree Electric Appliances, a prominent manufacturer based in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province, has integrated its proprietary model framework into DeepSeek R1 and plans to develop a specialized AI model for its industry. Gree's chairperson Dongming Zhu expressed the company's commitment to enhancing the integration of technologies such as image and voice recognition into its product lineup, particularly with air conditioners, predicting that AI will significantly contribute to energy-saving efforts. Liu Fei, a research director at Allview Cloud, mentioned, "The surge in AI technology will greatly enhance human-machine interaction and drive the intelligent transformation within the traditional home appliances sector, unlocking vast potential for consumption." Chinese consumers are increasingly eager for sophisticated and intelligent home solutions, leading to rapid iterations in product features and technologies. Liu highlighted that the swift adoption of AI in household appliances is likely to further stimulate consumer spending, ultimately bolstering domestic demand and supporting the broader economy. However, Liu pointed out several challenges hindering the development of smart home devices, such as the fact that AI-enabled appliances from different manufacturers often lack interoperability, and there's still a reliance on foreign suppliers for high-end smart chips. Hong Yang, an associate research fellow at the Chinese Academy of International Trade and Economic Cooperation, remarked that implementing AI can lower production costs, enhance product quality, and optimize resource distribution, leading to substantial economic advantages. He contended that this new wave of consumerism is primarily fueled by technological innovations in AI, which focus on meeting the diverse and personalized needs of consumers. Midea Group is actively enhancing its use of AI in intelligent manufacturing, smart home technology, robotics, and healthcare innovations. Zhang Zheng, Midea's vice president, called for increased investments in AI research and development, especially in core technologies within critical domains. He emphasized the need for establishing a robust data security and privacy framework, alongside fostering the growth of talented professionals in the AI field. Liang Zhenpeng, an independent analyst focusing on consumer electronics, pointed out that as smart air conditioning units adjust room climates to perfection and televisions curate programming based on viewer preferences, household appliances are evolving into the modern domestic companion. The exponential growth of China's smart home sector is propelled by technological advancements, particularly in the realm of AI, according to Liang, who believes that these innovations are crafting increasingly comfortable and intelligent living environments for citizens. He added, the integration of AI technology will facilitate an even more engaging conversational experience between individuals and their home devices. As more people aspire to enhance their quality of life, the prospects for the AI-enhanced smart home industry appear exceptionally bright. Zhu Keili, the founding director of the China Institute of New Economy, highlighted the critical need for Chinese appliance manufacturers to enhance their computing capabilities by establishing high-performance computing centers and advancing algorithm development to optimize the efficiency of computational resources.